Bored with your own toys? Let's meet the X-Maker Joy 3D printer. A smart toy 3D printer with kid-friendly app empowers kids to create endless toys. Easy to install and leveling free, print straight from the box and let kids' imagination run wild. It has kid-friendly and powerful app with well-designed extensive model library. Kids can print anything with just one click. It integrates AI-powered voice recognition and model library, allowing kids to create their own toys with just a few words. Plus, Toy Customizer mini programs enables kids to redesign any models and add new ideas. With 15 gamification 3D design mini programs, kids can easily design toys with zero barriers. Rich and diverse themes and gameplays allow to unleash kids' imagination. The two graphical free design softwares enable kids to design every imagination from scratch and satisfy their unlimited creative needs. If that's not enough, X-Maker constantly introduces various creation kits. Combined with the X-Maker app, kids can easily create robots, remote control cars, music boxes, carousels, and various electric remote control toys. There are even infinite ways for children to explore and discover. The innovative expandable structure design allows easy printing of personalized decorations, giving kids a unique and unparalleled 3D printer. The built-in high-definition camera allows remote monitoring of the printer's status and records video for every print, enabling you to share creations with friends. The innovative quick swap nozzle design allows for replacement with just one button. The silent printing feature ensures a peaceful creative environment for the whole family, enabling kids to create endless toys. Creating toys is not just about playing with them. It's about empowering kids to create endless possibilities. The X-Maker Joy 3D printer, creating toys beyond just playing with them.